India and the world has been battling the COVID-19 pandemic for more than a year. Compared to many of the developed countries, India has been lauded for its management of the COVID-19 pandemic. On this episode of Life and Science with Pallav Bagla, we meet the key person who helped India manage the COVID-19 pandemic. India's Health Minister and Science Minister, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, an ENT surgeon who banished the poliovirus from India.
2020 will be remembered not only for COVID, but it will also be remembered as the year of science, where the scientific accomplishments and the contributions of the Indian scientific community, they have been exemplary. I think that is something which we have in our DNA as Indians. I think.
So when there is a crisis, we seem to rise up very well.
Otherwise also, but of course India has shown it on number of occasions that when India decides, it delivers,
Correct.
It does it, and it fulfills the aspirations of the people.
When you took the vaccine, did you have any hesitancy and did you face any troubles post-vaccine?
No, not even an iota of hesitancy and not even an iota of any side effect of any nature. I experienced, and I have spoken to hundreds and thousands of people, and anywhere I have actually heard of people having any significant side effect around these vaccines. You know, the side effects which have been very, very minor, they also have been just like 0.00043% or so.
Indian scientists have given a made in India vaccine and a make in India vaccine, which is helping not only vaccinate Indians but save the world through Vaccine Maitri. India protecting itself and protecting the world in the true spirit of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Keep watching India Science.